Please grant the extension of the railway line from Junagadh to Dharamgarh, Koksara, connecting Ampani to Nabrangpur. Sir, please sanction a Vande Bharat train service from Junagadh to Bangalore, which can go through Visakhapatnam. I would also request, sir, to grant 2 extra bogies in the present intercity, which is from Bolangir to Bhubaneswar. 2 chair-car bogies would also do, sir, as it can be attached and the line extended from Bolangir to Kesinga. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honourable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and the Railway Minister, Shri Ashwini Vaishnav ji, for their exemplary work during their previous tenure. Today, Indian Railways is the 3rd largest rail network in the whole world. This year, in the budget 24-25, I would again like to thank our Prime Minister as well as our Finance Minister for allocating a grant of 2.6 lakh crores for Indian Railways. In the 3rd term of our BJP government, under the leadership of our Honourable Prime Minister, we are grateful for the continuous development of the railways. Thank you for granting 10,586 crores as the highest allocation ever for the state of Orissa, which is the 5th largest allocation in the country. This year's increase marks a 5.73 jump over the last fiscal year's allocation of 10,012 crores. Odisha has achieved 100% electrification of railway tracks, a significant milestone in itself. I would like to again thank the Railway Minister for focusing on ongoing road safety, where Odisha's 158 ROBs and 63 RUBs, a progress of 221 crores, has completely been done. 40 ongoing projects in Orissa, new tracks of 4,017 kilometers has been started. Transformation of 59 stations in Orissa under Amrit stations is going to start. I would again like to thank the Honourable Railway Minister for this. Honourable Speaker, sir, I come from Kalahandi district of Orissa, which is a backward area but developing soon. There is long-term demand for my constituency's wagon factory in the Narla block. Our Honourable Minister has already started and initiated work on this project diligently, with 300 acres of land already acquired. However, 8 acres of land still needs to be acquired, which is causing the delay. As we all know, Kalahandi was once infamous. This long-term demand is on its way to completion. This project is crucial for Kalahandi, as not only will it develop the economy of the district, as well as develop employment opportunities for people there. This is our first term with a double-engine Sarkar, where we have Sarkar in Orissa as well as centre, and really hopeful that this will get started soon. Kalahandi and Nuapara are 2 developing districts. I request our Honourable Minister to resume the stoppage of the trains such as the Samta and the Puri-Ahmedabad, which was stopped during COVID pandemic. Please grant the extension of the railway line from Junagadh to Dharamgarh, Koksara, connecting Ampani to Nabrangpur. Sir, please sanction a Vande Bharat train service from Junagadh to Bangalore, which can go through Visakhapatnam. I would also request, sir, to grant 2 extra bogies in the present intercity, which is from Bolangir to Bhubaneswar. 2 chair-car bogies would also do, sir, as it can be attached and the line extended from Bolangir to Kesinga. So a lot of people of Kalahandi can avail it, and it will be very useful for the whole district. Please approve the budget for a new railway line, which was surveyed during BNR time, which extends from Kantabanji to Kharyar, Sinapali and reaches Ampani. Really, sir, hoping that you will consider these requests and develop Kalahandi and Nuapara. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। श्रीमती हरसिमरत कौर।